Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a moment to check out this video. Now, if you want to build a life of wellness and health, then you need to start with the foundation, okay? And I'm going to say something, and I truly believe this. I believe that everyone should use Prima, okay? I'm going to say that one more time. I believe that everyone should use Prima. Now, if you look here for me, it says Prima by Oliabo is derived from high-phenolic olive oil, which is rich in antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatory compounds that support heart, brain, and cellular health. Okay. Now, if your foundation is weak, no supplement stack will fix it. Okay. Okay, now look here for me. This is very important. Most people approach health by adding more. More what? More pills, more powders, more promises. But real wellness doesn't start with more. It starts with the right foundation. For thousands of years, olive oil was considered medicine, but modern processing stripped it of the compounds that made it powerful, those compounds being polyphenols. Prima by Oliabo restores that foundation using high-phenolic olive oil, which is rich in antioxidants and natural anti-inflammatory compounds that support heart, brain, and cellular health. Okay? It's not designed to replace everything that you're doing. It's designed to make everything else work better. So, if you want a smarter, simpler place to start, trying Prima just makes sense. I believe everyone should use Prima. Now, I'm going to leave you some information in the description area of this video. Be sure to check out the information, okay? If you want to get signed up with Prima, it's absolutely with Oliabo, I'm sorry. It's absolutely free to do so, okay? We've got a wonderful business opportunity, but if you're not looking for a business and you want some amazing products, we have them for you. Okay, I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and incredible day today. Bye-bye now.